Marina Beach 2.0, the new must-go beach of South India, summer 2026.
Discover the stunning new look of Chennai's Marina Beach, India's longest urban coastline and a must-visit South Indian gem. With revitalized, cleaner stretches, it is perfect for summer sunrises and evening, breezy strolls along the Bay of Bengal. Located in central Chennai, this lively spot offers incredible street food, sundal, bhajis, and iconic views.
Close-up of the new, clean blue flag area. Sunset over waves, everything. Chennai's iconic Marina Beach has a new look, and it's officially the ultimate South Indian summer hangout for 2026.
Forget everything you know about Marina. Chennai's pride just got a summer makeover.
Located right in the heart of the city, this isn't just a beach. It's a vibe. The new look is all about golden sands, cleaner shores, and that amazing vast Bay of Bengal breeze. Activities. People using the new reading zone, and kids in the colorful, upgraded play area. Selfie at the new landmarks. From reading zones to modern, colorful play areas for kids. This is a total glow-up, perfect for your hashtag selfie game.
The best time? Early morning for a peaceful walk, or post 5 p.m. for the ultimate carnival vibe. Seriously, the evening energy here is unmatched.
They've even added a 2-kilometer heritage corridor and a dedicated bike track for a cool morning ride.
Food and time. You cannot come here and not try the hot steaming sundal or crispy bhajis and fish fry from these local stalls. It's the taste of Chennai.
Guide lock. Location: Triplicane, Chennai. Chennai's pride just got a major 2026 upgrade, and it is officially the must-go beach in South India this summer. With blue flag cleanliness, new recreational zones, and a stunning heritage corridor, you cannot miss this.
13 kilometers of sandy shoreline, lighthouse, aquarium, and memorial sites. Activities: pony riding, kite flying, street food tasting.
The new designated blue flag zones are much cleaner than older, unregulated areas. Accessibility. Mention that the wooden path allows for wheelchair access.